Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Roblox account you plan to manage. This ensures settings apply to the right profile. Once signed in, open the Settings menu by tapping the gear icon in the app or website header. If you're a parent, have your parent account credentials ready so you can enable family controls or verify changes. This first step gets you to the controls quickly, and it matters because screen time options are tied to the correct account and security level. Next, navigate to Account Info and then to Privacy or Parental Controls. Different platforms label it slightly differently, but the controls live here. Once inside, enable Account Restrictions or Family Settings. This unlocks time limit options and simplifies blocking inappropriate content. Make sure to set a secure PIN or verify the linked email so changes require authorization. Doing this prevents kids from circumventing limits. And finally, set the actual limits. Choose daily allowances or session durations, pick start and end times if available, and save the settings so they take effect immediately. Once done, test by logging out and back in on the managed account to confirm limits and force play. If limits don't apply, make sure the app is updated, clear cache, and re-enter the PIN. If problems persist, contact Roblox support for account-level issues. One troubleshooting tip: cross-check time zone and device clock to avoid unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.